This 2024 Tacoma TRD Off-Road and this Oxide bronze. The color in the sun is just ridiculous. We're gonna put our focus in these specs on the offset on these wheels because a lot of people are still confused. There's a lot of people that still question what works, what doesn't work. And these wheels here, these Method, these are 7/18s and it's 17 by 8.5 with a plus 25 offset. And we're running a 285, 75, 17 on this, which comes out to about a 33.8 in the Toyo tires. These are a set of Toyo Open Country AT3s. And these AT3s, we talk about this all the time as well. It's a 6-ply tire, not a 10-ply tire. These trucks are not meant to be riding around in 10-ply tires. It affects the ride on these trucks. Hey guys, are you listening? Come on, listen. Get subscribed, let's go. 89% of you are still not subscribed to our channel. Let's go. We've softened up the ride with our preload collars on these trucks because the trucks are light. And so we want to keep the ride nice. And so we offset that with a 6-ply tire on these. And you can see with these fender flares, we talk about the SR5s they just got a little flange on the fender to give it a little flare. They don't have these plastic flares on them, these add a 1/2 inch. So when you look at the car straight up and down, the poke that it has, the tire tread is just outside the wheel wells on these and has a really good look on it as it goes. It has plenty of room in the wheel well in the front and the back. We did remove the inner mount here behind there, took the bolts out, so it had more room for turning radius or scrub radius on this. But this truck this whole setup just looks amazing. We've got another one we're doing now with 35s on it because that's what the customer requested. But this one, all in all, the way that it works out, works really, really well with this. So we want to hear what you guys think out there. Please comment below. For those guys that are not subscribed to our channel and want to see the new stuff, please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you be a part of the channel with us. So thanks for watching. Take care.